Now we're switching gears and let's get to our birthday list for this Thursday. Hazley Joe Olson, happy second birthday to you, and certainly with love from Mom and Dad.
And then Harley Murphy, you are 4 from Fort Scott. Look at that.
Certainly looking so dashing with that bow and that pretty dress. Happy birthday, Harley.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, we continue on to Girard, Kansas. Annie Clark, turning 5 years old today. Happy birthday, Annie.
Next, we go to Riverton for Brooklyn Zorn's 6th birthday. Look at that Wonder Woman outfit. I love it. I love it.
A lot of girl power in that picture, I'll tell you
what.
what.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
In the meantime, over to Pittsburgh. It is 7 strong this year for Bryce Ramsey. Happy birthday to you, Bryce.
Going over, staying in Pittsburgh to Cruz Harrell, turning 10. Oh my gosh. And also an athlete. Love to see it. Happy birthday.
Yeah, looks like he'll stick with football for a while. Certainly a good sport.
Definitely.
We continue on to St. Paul. Amelia Savard. Hope I got your last name right, Amelia. But nonetheless, happy 10th birthday to you on this special day.
Going to Braun Stone, 13 years old yesterday. Love the hat. I love the energy in this photo. Happy belated birthday, Braun.
I wouldn't be surprised if that was taking a karaoke or maybe a rodeo, but certainly pulling off the look, certainly a lot better than I could. Continuing on, we have a pair of twins celebrating a birthday. First, on the left, we have Layla Bradfield turning 19. And who's that person on the right, Bronte?
That is Hannah Bradfield, and they are getting some love from Mom, Dad, and Olivia.
They certainly are. We continue on. Happy 26th to Winter Moore out of Pittsburgh, Kansas. And a special note with love from the families in Chanute and Ottawa. Who's next, Bronte?
Going on from Sheldon, Missouri, DJ Beeson is turning 29, and his mom wanted to make sure that we know it's his 29th birthday. Happy birthday, DJ.
Always with great love from Mom. Moving on, Pittsburgh, Kansas, we have Angela Carlinger. Hope we got the last name right, Angela, but nonetheless, happy 39th birthday to you on this Thursday.
Going to Carthage, Shirley Honeshell is 61 years old. Happy birthday, Shirley.
Couldn't tell by that picture, that's for sure. Happy birthday to you, Miss Shirley. We continue on to Drew Cook out of Frontenac, turning 26. He's actually the husband of a Corinza Holler. Happy birthday to you, Drew. All right, Bronte, what's next on the list?
Next, we have Cindy Johnson from Chetopa. We also have Maggie Morris from Cherryville, Marilyn Westervelt from Columbus, and Holly McReynolds, Fort Scott, 39. And last but not least, his birthday was yesterday, but Joe Shipley, 68, turned 68 yesterday from Chanute.
All right, that is it for our birthday list. If you want us to give you a birthday or anniversary shout out, easy to do. Just submit your info to us. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com. But that's not all, is it, Bronte?
Nope, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.